Paano maging positive sa life? A positive outlook in life. You must have it, as in now. Yes, do you believe na kung negative thinker ka, pwede ito maging opposite at mag-turn into positive? Yes, do believe. Hope for it. Oo, okay. So, paano maging positive about life? Think more of the positive and not the other one. Understood? Okay. So, prayers. Prayers. Helpful yon. Kasi everything and anything is possible. If you have God in your life. Truth, okay, so. Paano maging positive sa life? Be happy, be an optimist, stay true. Be joyful about yourself. Okay and okay. So, paano maging positive sa life? You could, if you really want to, pursue it. Use the law of attraction. Yes, okay. Tawagin si universe para humingi ng tulong. Tungkol sa negatibo mong perspektibo about life. Oo at totoo. Okay, okay, okay. So, be cheerful and be careful. Okay, so, minsan kumakapit talaga ang negatibong pag-iisip. Yes. Better change the habit. Oo at totoo. Okay, okay, okay. So, paano maging positive sa life? How? Paano? Tell me how. Isipin mo, analyze, exhaust things. Totoo, okay, okay, okay. So, paano maging positive at positibo about life? Okay, so, life goes on, continue. Don't waste a single minute. Yes, oo, okay. Maniwala, do hope for it. Kasi yan na lang ang last hope mo. At tangi mong pag-asa. Maniwala ka, okay, okay, okay. So, yes, totoo. Paano maging positive sa life? Eat foods na makakapagpa-happy sa'yo, but consume right amount of it only, not too much. Oo, true, totoo. Okay, okay, okay. So, paano maging positive sa life? Paano? Alamin mo, oo. Dapat alam mo yan sa sarili mo. Magdasal ka palagi, connect with your creator. Oo, totoo. Okay, okay, okay. So, choose positive. Ibahin mo way at paraan ng pag-iisip mo. Oo, okay. So, yes and true, okay. Keep busy, be busy. Be busy with life. Yes, okay. Paano maging positive sa life? Paano maging mabuting tao sa kapwa? Appreciate, okay. Write your thoughts, isulat mo. Mag-automatic writing na din, oo, totoo. Okay, okay, okay. So, paano ba maging positive sa life? Visualization techniques. Isipin mo na positive ka mag-isip. Ilay mo na oo at totoo. Okay, okay, okay. So, umiti, laugh, be cheerful. Yes, okay. So, surround yourself with positivity. Also, mga tao na positive thinker. Malalaman mo naman kung sino-sino yun. Umiwas sa mga negative thinker. Paano maging positive sa life? Ako, I have a depression. But I keep myself busy na lang. Para makalimutan ang negativities of life. Yes, stay happy. See it for yourself, okay, totoo. So, paano maging positive sa life? Know it by yourself, figure it out. Describe what you feel. I hope na na-up kita sa usapan natin yun. And I hope so, I am Gail. This is Speak Up, dear. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe.